We can easily embed videos in a Next.js app with the Next Cloudinary CldVideoPlayer component. In this video, we'll see how to use this component to show a sample video from our Cloudinary account and how to customize it. Let's add the video component here. We'll give it an ID, a width of 1920, and a height of 1080. Let's use the CTurtle sample video that comes with every new Cloudinary account. So in the source prop, we'll pass samples/c-turtle. If we refresh the page, we'll see the video player displaying our CTurtle video. And that's all you need to embed a video player. But you can take advantage of a lot other features such as event handlers for more control of your playing experience, or customizing the look of the player to match your branding. To do that, let's override the colors prop. There are 3 colors that we can override: base, text, and accent. I'm going to set the base to green, the text to black, and the accent to white. If we refresh this page, we'll immediately see the changes. For more customization options like changing the font and adding your own logo, check out the examples in the docs, where you can also check out all the other options available for the player. Alright, so in review, to embed videos in your Next.js application, all you need to do is use the CldVideoPlayer component and provide values for the props like the ID, the size props, source, and optionally the customization props if needed.